Hi everyone, I'm Wafalango and welcome you all in Grammar in Detail. If you are new and not subscribed the channel, so please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get some more videos about grammar. Today we will be discussing the ditransitive verb cause from active voice into passive voice. Cause means to make someone to do something, but over there cause means to create. Clear? And as a ditransitive verb, it gives the meaning of create. Now, before starting this, we will discuss the definition. We will put a glance on the definition of di or detransitive verbs. Die means to, transitive which can be changed into passive voice, and verb which shows an action. Those verbs which need two objects, keep in your mind they need two objects and can be changed in passive voice into four ways, and we can change them in how many ways? Four ways are called die or detransitive verbs. Ditransitive verbs need one direct object and one indirect object. What are direct object? All non-livings are called direct object and all livings are called indirect object. So non-livings are called direct and livings are called indirect object. They need two objects because with one object the meaning won't be clear. So with one of the objects the meaning is not clear and understandable, so for that you need to put two objects. From today's verb we will make a sentence. I say he causes me. Now what does he cause me? He creates for me what? So for that I have to put the both objects. Now if I say he causes a fight. Now for whom he causes a fight? So for that the both objects are necessary to be put together. I say he causes me a fight. Means he creates me a fight. Now this is the first way to change it into active voice. We mostly bring indirect object at the beginning, direct at the end, but if you want to shuffle the places, indirect object will be followed by a preposition, like he causes a fight for me. So these are the two ways to change them into active voice. Now main target, how we are going to change them from active voice into passive voice, that we will be discussing. We have got today the present perfect tense, those actions which were in progress in past and having result in present. For that we will be using the past perfect tense, the present perfect tense, sorry. And we have got the simple sentences, those sentences which make simple statement are called simple sentences. They have caused us a war, they have caused a war for us. These are the two ways to change them into active voice. And in passive voice we have got the rules we will be little bit discussing. When you bring subject in the place of object, like they, you make by them. So here by them many students write it object. Keep in your mind it is not called object, it is called agent. And what is the definition of agent? It tells us who does an action. So over there by them the war has been caused. Clear? Now they have caused us a war, they have caused a war for us. See, us and war is your object. When you bring it in the place of subject, like us you make we, and a war, here it will be called subject, but keep in your mind it will not be called the doer of an action subject, it will be called the title and topic subject. And what is title and topic subject? Okay, a person, place or a thing in a sentence which we are talking about. Now in first and second sentence we are talking about a person, in third and fourth sentence we are talking about a war, means the thing. Clear? Now when you bring subject object, the indirect object in the place of subject, you make it we in first and second sentence. So by them comes at the beginning, a war at the end, a war at the beginning, by them at the end. When you bring a war in the third and fourth sentence at the beginning, so by them comes at the beginning, for us at the end, for us at the beginning, by them at the end. Sentences will be as followed: we have been caused by them a war, we have been caused a war by them, a war has been caused by them for us, and a war has been caused for us by them. Next we have got negative sentences, those sentences in which we deny the statement, reject the statement, refuse the statement are called negative sentences. They have not caused us a war, they have not caused a war for us. We have not been caused by them a war, we have not been caused a war by them. A war has not been caused by them for us, a war has not been caused for us by them. Next we have got interrogative sentences, those sentences in which we ask question, put queries are called interrogative sentences. Have they caused us a war? Have they caused a war for us? Have we been caused by them a war? Have we been caused a war by them? Has a war been caused by them for us? And has a war been caused for us by them? Next, we have got formal sentences. Their complete name is interrogative negative formal sentences. Those sentences in which we ask questions, deny the statement, and we ask them in a formal and polite way. We use it with our seniors, with our elders. We use it with one whom you are not close with. Have they not caused us a war? Have they not caused a war for us? Have we not been caused by them a war? Have we not been caused a war by them? Has a war not been caused by them for us, and has a war not been caused for us by them? Last, we have got informal sentences. Those sentences in which we ask questions, deny the statement, and we ask them in a informal way. Have not short form is haven't, and has not short form hasn't. And we use it, with our youngers, juniors, and whom you are close with, and you can use them with your friends in a friendly atmosphere. Haven't they caused you a war? Haven't they caused a war? Haven't they caused a war for us? Haven't they caused us a war? Haven't they caused a war for us? Haven't we been caused by them a war? Haven't we been caused a war by them? Hasn't a war been caused by them for us? Hasn't a war been caused for us by them? So these are the sentences of ditransitive or cause in the present perfect tense. Hope you got today's lecture. Wish you best of luck. See you next time with next lecture. Goodbye.